today December 19th. We have AC Tech here because August and Pastor they said there's no heater, so yeah, we're gonna check it out. And also Planning Escape, we have leaks. Just want to make sure it's not coming from AC, so they're gonna check it out.
Oh my god, look at that.
Yeah, got it.
They have to replace the filter like maybe every 3 months on this place.
Yeah, they always turn on the AC, so.
No. Look at that.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, it's too much.
So it's covered with all the dust. So obviously we need to get a maintenance on there. So we're gonna check the other units and see if we have to do a maintenance. Okay. So this one has to be cleaned. Okay. And they're checking the other units. And even though the units are pretty new, the filter might have to be replaced. So. Huh.
It's not too bad, but yeah, it's a little bit dirty too.
Okay.
Back here.
Yeah.
Y eso ni lo debería de llevar ahí. ¿Abajo? No, aquí tienen los... Arriba. Es más grande.
Huh.
Tienen desde que lo pusieron, creo.
Yeah.
¿Es más ancho aquel?
Sí, 24, verás, 24 por 14, digo yo, ¿no? Por 16.
Sí, porque es blanco, no hay 16.
¿Se puede quitar? No, sí. Pero mira aquí.
Oh,
Se dobla, ¿va?
¿hay opcional para poner de una o de dos? ¿Verdad?
Mejor el de dos, ¿no?
Sí. Esta está un filtro tenía adentro ya.
¿Oh, sí?
Huh.
Oh, hell no.
Why we have that filter inside?
Oh my god. Sheesh.
That one is a little better than that one.
Yeah.
But
but-
still, yeah. Okay.
Sí, cerrémoslo. Aquí eso ni tiene filtro.
So this unit is belonging to Augustine Pastor, and yeah, obviously the filter has not been changed for the last almost like 2.5 years. So you know all the coils are covered with the dust. So we gotta clean that up. And